So, a quick episode of the car. I need to get something done here because I need to get this on actual wheel. And I need to get the steering up and mounted so I actually can move this thing back and forth. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the rear axle. Put it back into place. First, I need to weld some parts up a little bit. I'm going to put these braces welded at least. I have some larger holes here I need to fill. When that's done, I'm going to concentrate a little bit about getting this just lined up again because I managed to move them. And I'm going to concentrate on getting the rear steering done. Let's see if I can find it here. Let's get it here. My kid's here as well. I need to clean here as well. As you can see, I have gotten this end milled. It's shortened rather a lot, and I need to get it some flanges here. I have this tool. I'm going to do that in short as well. But first of all, some minor welding, just spot welding there, and get the rear back end in place. So I started to go down. It's very important to tie it up very hard because this will move, and that you go all the way down. You need to go back and forth like this all the time and make sure you lubricate with some oil. This will be tight, and when you're all down to the end, you will notice it. There I'm down. You can see it. Yeah, I'm down at least. Then we remove it again. I only have a single stage, so that means I'm only doing it once with one tool. Let's see if I picked the correct tool or not. I bought this tool out of eBay for like 20 Swedish crowns. I don't know how much it was, but not much. So let's see the quality. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it looks fairly good. You pick one of those. Let's see if we can get it on. It fits snug. That's okay. As long as I can get all the way down, I should be able to. If I can still do it by hand, it should be okay. So that's it. I have all the parts like here. So it's time to mount this back together again. Now the thunder and lightning has come here. I'm not really sure where I put all the stuff for this one. I hope I have them over here. Here I have them. It's good to have them on the shelf. There you are. All the rest of the stuff. It was some time since I did this, so I'm going to start the mounting of this. This one is also shortened a lot. I don't remember how much I did shorten it, but a lot. So I'll be back when it's mounted together. I'm sorry that I don't shoot when I do the actual mounting and all that because I have the wrong camera at the moment, but at least I thought I was going to give you a movie today. Rear axle mounted again. One wheel on. There's no braking stuff here, so that's why it's so close. But it's mounted at least, and I have welded this piece. I just tack welded them into place. That should be good. It didn't take that long. It looks rather okay. I need to fix the other wheel to this side here and get done as well. But this one also welded back. Tack weld this cross member here just to have it in place. So it's time to start with the steering. I want to replace this one here with a proper steering. I need to get that done now. So let's get back to the board and start fixing this one here. The important part here is that you do it straight. You don't miss. Sorry. Because if you do it like that, it will not work. You have to do it like that. And you need to have some oil in between. So I'm going to fix this one up and let's see. Quickie. The steering column is mounted and ready. I'm though missing the ones between here. So I need to go and buy them. I'm going to measure it and buy them. Hopefully I'll find something that fits almost directly. I'm not sure. I'm started fixing up the steering column. I have moved this one that way to have it shorter and better there. So it's a little bit shorter there. I also mounted something here and this one may not look that attractive at the moment, and I'm going to mount something here. This one will be a drill hole in. Also going to mount something here, something small. I'm calculating that when I get the cover on here, that one will hold them together rather good as well. But this one will be here. I think that will be enough. I'll probably put something here as well just to hold this one, but I really don't think it's needed, because this will be rock solid when it's done. So now I'm going to remove the steering wheel and start weld it together. It looks good, a lot of metal. Will be a little bit heavy, but I think it will be good when it's done. So, removal of steering wheel and then a lot of welding. Yes, I'm back. Some more done. The basic mounts for the front steering is done. To be able to get this in the middle, because this should be in the middle in the height and also in that lead, the best is to just put it on the tires. Of course, I actually bought the wrong one here. I need to change that. It was two left side instead of one right and one left. You take one iron like this, threaded, and then you just put some tension on the wheels. Put some tension on it so it like goes aside, and that will at the same time put this steering column in the right height. Not harder than that. This is only for keeping it roughly where I wanted it. The lower mount is done. I need to get something inside here as well, mounted on the upper side. So that's the next thing to do. I also noticed that this one is a little bit too close. So I will be cutting this piece here and going outwards a little bit. That will not be an issue, because this bar here is strengthening it a lot as well. But that's a must. I need to do it because otherwise the steering column gets too... yeah, it's in the wrong place. So once more, cutting this apart and moving it. Too bad, but that's how it is. This side is a little bit better, but still it's against, so I need to move that as well. I need to move it roughly 5-6 millimeters. So let's do that.